Hello people, this is Gustavo and this is a new video for a quick tutorial on how to return your goods for Redbubble. If you made a purchase and you got some sort of fail on your design or whatever, okay, if it's bad quality, bad ink, it's bad stuff, you can return these items, okay? So you go to your account on Redbubble, then go to Help Center and go to Returns, okay? Returns. Please read carefully, okay? It says here you're not in love with your purchases, okay? You just need a different color, exchange, whatever. You have to keep in mind, okay? They will ask you to provide pictures of the items, okay? So they can check if they can accept the return, okay? You need to see the user agreement for damaged goods right here, user agreement. You can read all this about the returns, damaged products and returns. If a product is delivered to you, the customer, but it's damaged, the applicable third parties who participate in the product will be notified so that they may issue a product replacement. As condition to receiving any remedy damaged product, you might be required to submit reasonable proof of such damage, okay? You need to be very clear on this. They will accept the return if the item you order is heavily damaged, okay? So if it's some sort of stickers or some items like a low price item, it won't be worth it because the shipping cost will be expensive than the product itself. You can make this with like big orders, like maybe a hoodie or a backpack or something, like it's expensive, so it will be worth the work to make all this procedure to return your items, okay? So actually it's very easy. You just need to log in onto your account, get the returns for Redbubble, okay? So if you send the pictures, right, you send the pictures and they check if it applies to your return, then they will make you a return, and that's it. Here it says submit a return request, okay? You need to log in into your account, but obviously this is my account. I'm a seller from Redbubble, so and maybe there's something right here to fill up the order, okay? I don't have any orders. I don't purchase from Redbubble. I'm just a seller, but it's very easy. It's very easy. Just go to Redbubble. It's very easy. Redbubble. Go to the end of the page. Returns. Submit a return request. Log in with your account or the number and fill all the paperwork, and that's it. Just submit the evidence and check a few days later so if you can apply for a return on Redbubble, okay? So this is a quick video. I'll be making more videos in the future about Redbubble and print on demand, so stay in touch, subscribe to the channel.